Hi everybody, I'm on Flight Radar today, Flight Radar 24 today at Calgary International Airport, YYC, and today Air Canada has a flight attendant strike, and I'm looking on Flight Radar 24 on Calgary International Airport, YYC. Air Canada flights have been cancelled. Lots of flights have been cancelled, probably 800 flights have been cancelled. Look at all those Air Canada flights. Yeah, they've been canceling 800 flights. Leading passengers were nowhere to go. Been stranded at the airport, across Canada, United States of America, probably other places like Mexico, and probably Asia, like Japan, Tokyo, Europe, Amsterdam, Frankfurt, and Germany, Frankfurt, and Munich, London Heathrow, and probably London Gatwick Airport, Tokyo, Australia, Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane, Auckland in New Zealand, Sao Paulo in Brazil, Cancun, Mexico, Mexico City, and even Los Angeles, California, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, Orlando, Florida, San Francisco has been canceled. And what's next? Atlanta flight is canceled for Air Canada. And New York flight is canceled. Will be looked on the other side of the radar, other airports like Toronto Pearson International Airport. Yeah, that's crazy. Lots of flights have been canceled. Yeah. Yeah, right now it's Saturday, August 16, 2025. And we got a Vancouver flight is canceled. The busiest routes in Calgary is Vancouver. It's always the busiest routes. Yeah, lots of Air Canada flights have been canceled. 800 flights. Lots of Air Canada flights have been canceled. Air Canada flight attendant strike. Flights have been canceled. Have a great day, guys.